moving up isn't about personal success. It is about lifting others as you rise, sharing your wisdom, your experiences, and your support with those who are still finding their way.
Napakaraming pagsubok ang hinarap ng Batch 2026 nitong mga nagdaang taon. Ngayon ay naririto ang Batch 2026 matapos mapagtagumpayan ang lahat ng mga pagsubok.
As you move to the next chapter of your Pisay life, take a moment to look back at the path you've traveled, the challenges you faced, the growth you've experienced, and most importantly, the mistakes and the lessons you learned from those mistakes. For they are the ones that should leave a lasting impression on you.
Bilang mga siyentista ng bayan, hindi na sapat na matalino lang tayo. Kaya kailangan magaling din tayo sa science communication, kailangan marunong din tayo mag-stakeholder analysis para sure tayo na nakakatulong talaga yung ginagawa natin. Critical thinking as a scientist means acknowledging that you don't know everything, and not everything can be taken at face value. We need to fact-check, and we need to look for the deeper meaning. It's not easy, but it's a responsibility that we must uphold after learning how to be critical thinkers in Pisay.
Ating mga magulang at guro, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at paggabay sa ating mga mag-aaral. Kayo po ang naging ilaw at gabay nila sa kanilang paglalakbay sa mga unang taon nila dito sa Pisay. Ang inyong sakripisyo, pagmamahal ay hindi matatawaran. Mga minamahal naming mag-aaral, naway patuloy kayong magsumikap para sa inyong mga pangarap at maging inspirasyon sa inyong mga kapwa. Patuloy na isapuso ang core values ng Pisay, integrity, excellence, and service. Maraming salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat. Pagmamahal at iwanag para sa ating lahat. Padayon, Batch 2026.